So welcome back to another RWpro video, and today I'm going to be showing you like the Honda and the update on the Honda. So obviously in the last video we got the bar underneath here all painted, and now I've done quite a lot with the Honda. We have got the forks fully painted, the front wheel fully painted. The part that I'm struggling with the most is this part here, which will get done, just don't know when, because the shop that I actually use to get my paint has run out of stock of the paint that I need. So I don't know where I'm going to get the paint from, but waiting for the shop to restock. So unfortunately I actually lost the files for my video that I had planned today. So this is being filmed on the same day as the video is coming out, which is obviously tonight, in less than an hour. So I lost the footage of what I had when I was doing the Honda, which is annoying because it was some great footage that I was sanding it down. We painted the forks and then we done the wheel. I lost all of that footage due to some corruption thing, but it is what it is. So obviously the Honda is 90% done. The next video is not going to be on the Honda. The next video is going to be on this, the scrap bike, which will be coming out to play yet again. Obviously it did sit right there. I've had a good sort out with the shed. I've built another bench here. I've had proper good sort out. I've had a delivery of a load of wood. I've had delivery of that. Still waiting on my metal delivery, but we have got a little update on the scrap bike. I've got all this metal here that is ready to be used on the scrap bike, including that, which if you want to find out what I'm going to be doing with that and some of this metal, join into the next video, because the next video will be getting the frame done for the scrap bike. So just a quick little update of the shed and everything that's been going on. I've cleared up a lot of this space here. Obviously if you've seen my previous videos, we've had so much junk over here. I've got bits here, I've got all of my dad's sort of gear here, fishing stuff, and then I've got all of his stuff just under here at the moment, sort of just piled up on each other, including that, which is one of our projects that we need to get done as well, which I don't know when. Now obviously I've built another bench. This wood isn't the final finish of the wood. I'm going to replace the wood with some of the stuff I've got out there in the stores. Haven't done too much on the Honda. I'm more just focused on the shed and getting that back to something that I can actually work in, because there was no room in here before. I mean, still I've got bits all over the place, but that takes probably 10 minutes to sort out, so it's not like it's a major issue. Obviously now that I've sorted the shed, we have got a load more room to work, because the Honda's just shoved there. Like, you couldn't move around the Honda at all, you couldn't fix parts at all, because the Honda's actually be parked right here, and then the scrap bike will be put on that bench there. The 50cc mopeds going over there next to my aluminium stock, and then all of the tools will be somewhere scattered around, probably on a bench or somewhere. So this Friday you will have a video coming on that. Next Tuesday you will have the complete of the Honda. So the Honda's going to be fully done next Tuesday. So make sure you stay tuned for that, because you don't want to miss when the Honda's fully painted and looks proper. This video is coming on this. I know it's been a while since I've done a scrap bike video. I have the frame on this complete in the next video, so stay tuned for that.